Hey friends, if you wish to fix the archive is either in unknown format or damaged error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. uh, we have an archive file here, a zip file here. We are unable to open it. So there can be two things. One thing is that it is a very different format which cannot be opened easily. It may an archive is not only a zipped file, it can be an RAR file or whatever. And the second one is that the file is corrupt. So if the file is corrupt, you will have to re-download it. But before that, I'll give you a suggestion. Download the software called 7-Zip. Okay, we'll search for it, and then we'll go to the 7-Zip website, and then we will download the latest version, the 64-bit version, because I have a 64-bit computer. If you have a 32-bit computer, which is rare these days, then you can do it accordingly. Okay, so I will install it, and now that it's installed, I will try to open it with 7-Zip. So I'll right click on it, show more options, 7-Zip, and then I'll select extract files. Okay, and then I'll simply click on OK, and it will extract the file. So this is what it can do. Now this is one solution. Okay, and the second one is that if it doesn't work, then you will have to re-download the file. It means that the file is corrupt, because if 7-Zip is not able to open it, then it means that the file is corrupt. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.